The North America natural gas crisis 2000, 2008, 2004 Argentina energy crisis. North Korea has had energy shortage for many years. Zimbabwe has experienced a shortage of energy supply for many years due to the financial management. Political riots occurring during the 2007 Burmese anti-government protests were sparked by the rising energy prices. Kuwaiti Al Barkan Ali oil field, the world's second largest oil field. The 2000 energy crisis since 2003, a rise in the price and caused by the continued global increase in the petroleum and demand, coupled with the production stagnation, the falling values of the US dollar, and the merit of the other secondary causes. 2008 Central Asia energy crisis caused by the abnormally cold temperatures, low water levels in the area, dependent on the hydroelectric powers. At the same time, the South African president was appeasing fears of prolonged electricity crisis in South Africa. May begin pledge on a energy crisis. Financial Times retrieved 2008 to 210. In February 2008, the President of Pakistan announced plans to tackle energy shortage that were reaching crisis stage despite having significant hydrocarbons reserves. In April 2010, Pakistani government announced in Pakistan national energy policies which extended the official weekend and the ban on neon lights in the response to a growing electricity shortage. South African electoral crisis. The South African crisis led to the large price rise for platinum in February 2008 and the reduced gold production. China experiences severe energy shortage toward the end of the 2005 and again in early 2008. During the latter crisis, they suffered severe damage to the power network along with the diesel and coal shortage. Supplies of electricity in Guangdong province, the manufacturing hub of China, are predicted to fall short by an estimated 10 gigawatt. In 2011, China was forecast to have a second quarter electrical power district deficit of the 44.85 and 49.85 gigawatt. Nepal experienced several energy crises in 2015 when India created an economic blockade into Nepal. Nepal faced the shortage of the various kinds of petroleum products and food materials which affected several on Nepal economy. The Gaza electricity crisis is a result of the tension between the Hamas, who rules the Gaza Strip, and the Palestinian Authority Fatah, who rules the West Bank. Over the custom tax revenue funding of the Gaza Strip and political authorities, residents receive the electricity for a few hours or a day on a rolling blackout of the schedule. Emerging oil shortage. Peak oil is the period when the maximum rate of the global petroleum extraction is reached, after which the rate of the production terminal decline. It relates to a long-term decline in the available supply of petroleum. This, combined with the increased demand, significantly increased the worldwide price of the petroleum-derived products. Most significant is the availability and price of the liquid fuel for transportation. The U.S. Department of Energy in the Iraq's reports indicate that the problem associated with the world oil production peaking will not be temporary, and past energy crisis experience will provide relatively little guidance. Mitigation efforts to avoid the serious social and economic implication and a global decline in the oil production could entail. The 2005 HERS reports emphasize the needs to find the alternative at least 10 to 20 years before the peak and the phase out of the use of the petroleum over that time. Such mitigation could include energy conservation, fuel substitution, and the use of the unconventional oil. Because mitigation can reduce the use of the traditional petroleum sources, it can also affect the timing of peak oil and the shape of the Hobart curve. Energy policy may be reformed, leading to greater energy intensity. For example, in Iran with the 2007 gas ration plan in Iran, Canada, and the National Energy Program, and in the USA with the Energy Independence and Security Act of 2007, also called the Clean Energy Act of 2007. Another mitigation measure is the setup of a cache of the secure fuel resources like the United States strategic petroleum resources. In case of the national emergency, Chinese energy policy includes the specific targeted within their 5-year plan. Andrew McCullough has been proponent of the contract and converge model or capping scheme to mitigate both emissions of the greenhouse gases and a peak oil crisis. The imposition of the carbon tax would have mitigated might getting effect on an oil crisis. The oil depletion protocol has been developed by Richard Heinberg to implement a power down during a peak oil crisis, while many sustainable development or energy policy organizations have advocated reforms to energy development from the 1970s. Some cater to a specific crisis in energy supply, including the Energy Quest and the International Association for Energy Economies, the Oil Depletion Analyst Center, and Association for the Study of the Peak Oil and Gas examine the timing and the like effects of the peak oil